Okay, this is going to be a quick video update to correct some information that I presented in my previous video. Now in the previous video we looked at access ports and I showed these two commands how to assign the VLAN to the interface. So you can assign the VLAN by using the VLAN ID or by referencing the VLAN name. Both of these should be valid options, but in the video I was unable to assign the VLAN using the VLAN name. Then I speculated that maybe this particular command is not supported in the specific iOS code version, or maybe it has something to do with my virtual environment. Because sometimes you do see unexpected behavior. However, it turns out that this was a classic layer 8 mistake or human error. I made a silly mistake, so we're gonna look at that now and fix it. In short, I used incorrect command syntax. I simply left out the name keyword from the second command option. So let's jump on the command line and I'll show you what happened. So this is our topology. I only have switch 2 running right now because that's all we need to demonstrate the problem and the solution. So let's go to that. And here, if we look at the VLAN database, we're at the default situation. Now, what I have done first, I've created the VLAN 42. I did not assign a name to it yet. So if we look at the VLAN database again, now it is here. And technically, a name has been automatically assigned to it. So this one right here. Now we can even assign the VLAN using this automatically assigned name. And I'll show you that right now. So we'll go under gig 0/2. That's the interface connected to the PC. And then we'll do switch port access VLAN. And here is where I made the mistake earlier. I tried to assign it this way. And the command line produces this error, invalid output, or invalid input, excuse me. The reason being that I forgot the name keyword. This is such a simple and silly mistake that I could have figured out by using the help menu. So if we take a look at that, switchboard access VLAN and then question mark, you can see it's right there. You can either insert the VLAN ID directly or use the name keyword and then set the VLAN name, like so. So we'll do it this way. We'll use the automatically assigned VLAN name. Let's do that. So now it should be assigned to VLAN 42. And we can use a couple of commands to verify that. Show VLAN again. Now we can see that gig 0/2 is here. Some other options we have, show run interface, gig 0/2. Now here you can see it produces the VLAN ID. So the name is not saved in the running configuration. So now that we've done that, I can also demonstrate the example from the slide. So we can give the VLAN a name, universe, and then use that to reassign the port to VLAN 42. So let's just remove the configuration from the interface for now. So we'll do no switch port access VLAN. Like that. And then we can verify, do show run int gig 0/2. It's gone now. So now we can go back to the VLAN configuration, assign it a name, universe. And then again under the interface. And then let's copy this command from here. And copy universe as well. And once again, I forgot the name keyword right there. Oh my goodness. Well, now I know, because I've done this so many times. Now it's gonna work. There we go. So notice from the running config output, so the name and the VLAN name are gone. So it's gonna change to the VLAN ID instead. Okay, now let's verify a few things again. So show VLAN. You can see that the name has changed. And also the port is assigned to VLAN 42. Show run interface gig 0/2. Now you can see again it's in VLAN 42. Finally, one more command. Show interface gig 0/2. And I'm using the wrong character. Actually, it does not even need the pipe. It's just switch port. There we go. So this is the information we looked at in the other video as well. Access mode VLAN is 42. So yeah, that was it. It was just a simple mistake that I made. It would have worked just as shown in the slides, but I forgot the name keyword from the second command. And actually, one more thing. My original speculation may not have been so far-fetched. I think the command option has only been added in more recent iOS code versions. Because if we go look at the master command list, let's have a look here. And then if we search for that command, so it's gonna be switch port access VLAN. Here we go. So you see for this one, there is no name option here. Let's see if there's any other mention of it here in the command history. These are some old iOS code versions, but this one did say, if we go back here, all releases. So yeah, it's hard to tell when the VLAN name command option was added. Anyway, that's it. I hope it's clear now. So both these command options are valid and they work if you type it correctly.